Okay, before I'm going to show you Betty, I'm going to clean myself first. Okay. One more. One more. Okay, it's time for me to visit Betty. Let's go. Hello guys! Now it's time for me to introduce to you Betty. Yes, she is about more than 30 years old tree and she needs trimming, and you will see how beautiful Betty is after I am done working here. Let's go! I was born on the 22nd of April. And you know, if it's my birthday, the world is celebrating it because it's Earth Day. Since I was a kid, I love taking care of plants. Gardening is my way of relaxation. Taking care of animals, being one with nature. This gave me the inspiration to work and express myself in so many ways. During this pandemic, I believe most of us now do realize that we need nature for us to survive. But people are taking more from nature, too much, that we slowly killing Mother Earth. Nature's message to humanity is simple. Nature doesn't need people. She is so beautiful, right? Woo! Guys, if nature doesn't need us, then I think because we are the problem. But there is always hope. Because if we are the problem, then I believe that we can also be the solution. So please, give Mother Nature a chance in your life. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.